right there. You couldn't let it go. You would have pressed and paused if you just listened.
Go go!
降りれるよ。このガタゴト使えば。 う